When peaches are ripe in the summer, there is absolutely nothing better than just indulge in some sweet, juicy peaches. What we're gonna do today though, we are going to half them and then, whoops, and then we're going to just brush them with a bit of butter and place them right on here on this skillet and put them inside the oven. We're gonna do this with all of them. Again, take the pit out, brush, and place on here. Our peaches are ready and we can place them in the oven. Let's slide them into the oven, close the door, and allow the oven to do its magic. The aroma coming out of this oven is amazing. We're gonna take them inside, flip them, and place them back in the oven. Let's flip them around. Smells so good. And on top of each, we're gonna put a little piece of butter and some brown sugar. A little piece of butter on each. Might not even need all of it. There. Oh, wow. Now the brown sugar. Oh, yes. And on top of the brown sugar, we'll put a little bit of thyme. This is some fresh thyme from the garden. And not only is it going to be beautiful with the color, but it's just going to add another element of flavor that will be so nice. And these guys go back into the oven. Once again, into the oven, and we will close the door. Our peaches are ready. You wanna peek? Oh, look at these. They look so amazing, and they're gonna be so delicious. We placed a few little sprigs of this thyme on there, and now we're ready to serve it. So we're gonna get one of these pieces, place it right in here, and then add a nice dollop of ice cream. We place this spoon into some hot water. Now we're gonna just go down this way and then turn it around and this way. And here we have a nice grilled peach with this wonderful contrast with the cold ice cream, and this will be a delicious, delicious dessert. So now we're gonna wish you un buon appetito.